Now this one's called a Bento Box, but it's made from Courthouse Steps. This is, look at this. I want you to see. Look how beautiful that is. This is quite stunning, all right? Now, you can do this, but it's sort of like two projects in one because, like I said, it does come from the Courthouse Steps pattern. So I'm going to set this aside and tell you about the materials you need first. When you build this, you're going to build this in twos, all right? You're going to do two at a time. You need some strips. First, we need to choose a center square, okay? And I'm going to, I'll keep that in view just so you can see. It's a little folded and messed up, but it's okay. We're going to build the courthouse square first, all right? I chose a black for one of my courthouse steps, and I chose a print for one of my other courthouse steps. And remember, I said you're doing these in pairs. The next thing you need are strips of fabric. You need some 5-inch strips. Now, all of these are 2.5 inches wide, okay? The standard jelly roll width. But these are 5 inches long. You need 2 of your print, 2 of your background. Then you need some 9-inch strips. You need 4 of each, and then you need some 11-inch strips, 2 of each. This stuff right here will make 2 of these very interesting bento boxes, okay? But first, let's do the courthouse square thing, courthouse steps really fast. Courthouse steps, here's our center, and you put a strip on both opposite sides of it, right? So in this case, we will choose black because we're gonna go every other one. Print, black, print, black. So I would do blacks here, stitch those together, right? Then I will also do blacks on these sides, both sides at a time, work simultaneously. So that I am choosing the 9-inch square for those, okay? So my next round has to be the print. So I'm gonna start with some 9-inch prints, top and bottom, and then we will do both of our sides. Now for this, I have to go to the 11-inch strip. So this basically is the courthouse steps. I'm not going to sew it for you because we have a video on that, but this is just a refresher course. 2, 2, 2, and 2. Courthouse steps, right? So you're going to then do an opposite version of it, starting with the black center square, okay? And I'm going to use my prints on both sides, and you get the gist, right? I'm going to do prints over here and here. Then I'm going back to the black, and then I'm going to finish it off with this. So this is just the first part of this project, but this is the hardest work right now. We have made 2 courthouse step quilt blocks, right? So enough of those. When you have those, they will look like this once you have stitched them together, and they're both beautiful in their own right. But here's how we turn it into the bento box pattern. We're going to take these and we are going to cut them. And I've got one over here. Oh, do you hear that? It's like a styrofoam. If you put it on a rotating cutting mat, which is one of my favorite things to do, you're going to slice it horizontally down the center and vertically across the center, because then you have 4 nice separate pieces. You see that? We're going to, I'm not going to slide that again. That was terrible. We'll do that to both blocks. So up here, you can see I've got my 4 blocks there. I did the same thing with the second quilt block. And here are the 4 pieces of that. So all we're going to do is swap things out, right? So we're going to swap this for that. And we're going to swap this for that. And when you piece these together like this, and then put them together, this is the bento box pattern. Same up here. Push those together, stitch these together, and then sew them all 4 together. And you have just made 2 of these quilt blocks already, 2 of the 4. So, you know, this is very doable. It looks so complicated, and it looks like a lot of stuff. It's very doable. So I hope you will give this a try. Bento Box from Courthouse Steps. This is kind of new. I really enjoyed this. I hope you'll follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, happy sewing.